Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Files. Then install this free app by Google developer. Now you need to open it. Choose Continue and tap on Allow. Then tap on this switcher next to Allow access to manage all files and tap on the back button. Finally, click on Clean over here. Wait a bit and choose Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, choose Clear in this pop-up and wait! As you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!